Hello and welcome to the Federal. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday launched the National Master Plan to connect India's economic zones. This comes 2 months after he first announced the government's plans to launch the scheme named as Gati Shakti.
अगले 25 वर्षों के भारत की बुनियाद रच रहे हैं। पीएम गति शक्ति नेशनल मास्टर प्लान भारत के इसी आत्मबल को, आत्मविश्वास को, आत्मनिर्भरता के संकल्प तक ले जाने वाला है।
Here's a look at what this master plan is and why it is important for India's infrastructure push. The Gati Shakti scheme is a 100 trillion rupees infrastructure project. It will integrate planning and implementation of major infrastructure projects across the country. This project will allow the government to give an integrated approach towards developing modern railways, roadways, waterways, and airways. It aims to facilitate easier interconnectivity in order to reduce travel time and thereby enhance industrial productivity. The project aims to boost India's economic growth through infrastructure building, as improved infrastructure will improve indigenous production. The scheme will be led by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade under the Commerce Ministry. It will be led by the Cabinet Secretary and an empowered group of secretaries under him. It will integrate the infrastructure schemes of various ministries and state governments, thus bridging the gap between macro planning and micro implementation and facilitating optimum utilization of resources. It will also ensure that all infrastructure projects will be completed in time. A digital platform has been created to achieve this by providing a bird's eye view of infra development. The platform will bring 16 ministries together and provide high-resolution satellite images, infrastructure, utilities, and other such administrative support. Until now, infrastructural development in different sectors worked independently of each other. With the launch of the master plan, all infra projects will now be designed and executed with a common vision. Interministerial barriers which persisted earlier will be broken, allowing for information sharing and effective planning between ministries and departments. This will thus smoothen the process and ensure effective infra development. This master plan will ensure that infrastructure is linked in such a way that it ensures connectivity through different means and removes the existing gaps to ensure smooth movement of people, goods, and services. It will also facilitate connectivity between economic zones such as textile clusters, pharmaceutical clusters, defense corridors, electronic parks, industrial corridors, and fishing clusters, and also agri zones. It will also ensure last mile connectivity, which will in turn ensure economic progress. In the near future, this master plan is likely to help the government achieve its ambitious targets of expanding the national highway network to 2 lakh kilometer, creation of over 200 airports, heliports and water aerodromes, and doubling the gas pipeline network to 35,000 kilometers. By ensuring infrastructure and connectivity, the Gati Shakti plan is expected to aid local businesses across the country and help them attain global standards, which will drive economic growth in India. It is also likely to open up possibilities of new economic zones in the future. A Federal Report.